see the headline for the story, but it's not really a dispute between Disney and Charter. It actually goes a little bit more deeper than that. What's happening right now is a fundamental shift in the linear TV business. It used to be profitable for TV and for programming to be done in this format and to deliver content in this way. It doesn't work anymore in this current environment where everybody's using broadband connections. We're using things like TikTok and not really spending a whole lot of time on TV. Even though there's people that still watch TV and there's advertisers that still put ads out here in this format, the business is declining, and it shows from the number of cord cutters that are dropping cable TV and are actually picking up on different streaming platforms. So once again, this is not an issue between Charter and Disney. This is actually an industry issue, and they're trying to figure out what's the best path forward to stay relevant in this new landscape. So for companies like Disney, they're looking to do direct-to-consumer applications, so that way they're delivering their product directly to consumers without having some of the middlemen to deliver these types of services. For Charter and then other companies like that, they're trying to figure out what their role is in this new environment. So obviously they own the network, the infrastructure when it comes to internet access, which allows people to consume ESPN, ABC over a broadband connection. But they're really trying to figure out how can we still play a valuable role in this environment, but without getting cut out completely because of the fact that it's going direct to consumer. So the industry is going through a fundamental shift. This isn't just happening with Charter and Disney, but this is really something that's affecting smaller internet providers that have TV businesses, and those companies have been dropping that in favor of partnering with other types of distributors, which are Hulu and YouTube TV. Those are the entities that are replacing the traditional providers like a Charter, like a Comcast once fulfilled in a different environment. So this is very interesting. I'm keeping my eye on this. It goes deeper than what the headline shows. This is a fundamental shift in business models, and two players are trying to figure this out in a public way. And it's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out.